Hi guys, we're back. Some of you guys requested how to replace this rear bumper cover on your Forester, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. This is a 14 Forester, but 14 to 18 they're all the same. You could have the radar sensors in them, the backup sensors in them. The bumper removal is pretty much the same thing. So as I get some of the newer cars in, we'll take off of the newer rear bumper, show you guys how it's done. That's got some parking sensors in it, some other stuff, but this is a touring package. So, but again, the rear bumper is just a plain bumper on this one. So there's two 10s right here. There's one 110 right here and 110 right here. You do not have to remove the taillights to get the bumper off. Just go ahead and remove these two 10s right here. One here and one here. It's this type of a bolt that goes in the plastic, and it's a 10. You could probably use a Phillips screwdriver if you didn't have a 10 laying around, but I happen to have a 10 laying around. The rest of it's pretty easy. This quarter panel is obviously damaged, so is the bumper, but there's a little clip right here. You push the center of it in, and then you can pull the clip out. This one's broken, so it's sitting there. You have this plastic thing with bumper right here. It slides into it. You know, just is damaged, but here's the hole right here. If you pull this clip out, I think the other side has it. Let's roll to the other sid. I'll show you guys how to take this clip out right here. Come on. Okay, we're on the right side, and the clip is missing here too. So literally, it will release. Don't be afraid to pull on it, but be careful because you don't want to break the plastic. If it's not pulling, just take some time. Maybe blow some air in here because sometimes dirt gets stuck in here. But this clip right here, it's a pushing type of clip. I wish I had one to show you guys, but it's very self-explanatory. The little center of it, if you push it in, the clip pops right out. There's a couple clips on the bottom that need to come out. There's two clips right here. And if you drive your car like this one's been driven, these clips are going to be very hard to pull out because there's dust and dirt and stuff in them. So be careful of breaking them unless you have unless you have spares of them like we do here. But it literally just, if you can get a clip remover in here, a flat head, just slowly work it, it will come out. It might just take some time. If you don't break them, they will come out if you just play with them and massage them. See? There's two here. There's three in the back, and there's two more on the other side. So let's move over that way a little bit. Okay, so these guys on this side just got a bunch of dust in them. So, whew, they'll come out if you. Yeah, see, you just gotta play with it. And if you don't want to play with it, once you remove these two clips, there's two here and there's two on that side. There's a couple back here. See, there's one right here, and then there's one like this on that side. So these should be a little easier to pull out, I hope. Yeah, look at that. Right here. And there's two on this exhaust piece. If you have a turbo model, this one exists. They'll have another exhaust here. You can leave these on. This is just a delete for the exhaust. So that's about it to get this bumper loose. Let's go back up and yank the bumper off. So we removed all the bottom clips. We removed the clips here. Removed the 10s here. You do not need to remove the taillights again. So they got this loose. The bottom's loose. There's little clips right here. Even with the taillight on, you can if you just push a little like this, it will come out. There's this metal thing right here. Brace. These got little teeth right here. These guys slide in here. So if you just yank on the bumper a little bit, it will come out. You could start on one side and just peel the bumper like a banana. Come over here. I'll show you guys again. If you got the taillight in, you just go ahead and grab this side right here and just pull backwards a little bit and out. It will come out, and It's good to do with 2 people so you don't drop the other side, but that's all there is really holding this bumper. And some of you guys might have these reflectors in the rear broken. You don't have to take the bumper off to replace the reflectors. You can get underneath and unscrew this bolt sitting right here. Stick your hand up here, you unscrew this, and these reflectors just push with these tabs and they'll pop right out. But that's how you remove a rear bumper cover. One of you guys that was asking how to, well, there it is, how. So some of these cars have those sensors that sit right here for the lane assist, lane departure. They're going to be sitting somewhere here. I've done one of these Imprezas that had lane departure sitting right here. So if someone's getting damage right here, you're probably going to destroy the lane departure sensor and probably one of these brackets. These are pretty cheap at the dealer. You can call us for, if you're local, come by. I'll give you one. That's about it on how to remove a rear bumper cover off a 14 to 18 Forester. Call us if you guys need something, comment, or if you guys need more clarification on something, give us a call.